Welcome to a guided meditation for body image and acceptance on Declutter the Mind. In this session, we'll use mindfulness to cultivate a kinder relationship with our bodies. It's easy to become caught up in judgments or comparisons, but by bringing awareness to how our bodies feel in the present moment, we can practice acceptance and respect for ourselves just as we are. And so let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet firmly planted on the ground or on a cushion with your legs crossed, whatever feels stable and relaxed. Place your hands on your lap or rest them gently on your thighs, taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, holding it briefly, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. And let's take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your shoulders to drop, settling into this moment. And now gently close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. No need here to change your breathing. Just observe it, letting it anchor you in the here and now. And as you rest your attention on the breath, take a moment to notice how your body feels overall. Are there any areas of tension, soreness, discomfort? Are there places that feel particularly relaxed or neutral? And we simply observe these sensations without judgment. If your mind starts labeling them as good or bad, we acknowledge that thought and then return to simply noticing. And now let's begin a gentle body scan, starting at the top of the head, moving your attention down through your forehead, eyebrows, and jaw. And if you notice any tightness, see if you can allow it to soften with each exhale. Continuing the scan down your neck and shoulders, areas where many of us carry tension. And with each out breath, allowing your shoulders to drop a bit more. Bringing your awareness to your arms, hands, and fingers. Notice any sensation of weight or tingling. Move your attention to your chest, noticing the subtle rise and fall as you breathe. And if you find yourself judging how this part of your body looks and feels, recognize that thought, label it as judging, and then gently let it go. And shift your focus to your abdomen. Allow it to expand naturally with each inhale and relax on each exhale, noticing any tightness and seeing if you can allow it to soften. And then moving on to your hips, your legs, and finally your feet, allowing them to sink into the floor or cushion, aware of the support beneath you. And at this point, you scanned your entire body. And so take a moment to sense the whole of your body as one connected unit. As you do this, if judgments or negative thoughts about your appearance come up, we acknowledge them, we label them as thought, and then return our attention to the breath the sensation of sitting. And now let's silently repeat the following phrases, allowing them to resonate within you. I appreciate my body as it is today. My body does so much for me. I allow myself to experience acceptance and kindness. And these phrases aren't about ignoring desires for health or well being. They are about creating a foundation of respect and gratitude for the body you have right now. And so, if any resistance or discomfort arises while repeating these phrases, we simply notice it, acknowledge it as part of the process, and then return to the phrases or to your breath. And so, let's take a few more moments to sit in this awareness, breathing in acceptance, breathing out any tension or self criticism. Inhale a sense of gratitude and exhale any lingering judgments or comparisons. And when you are ready, gradually bring your attention back to the room and the space around you. Noticing any sounds or sensations. And then gently opening your eyes, taking a moment to look around and orient yourself back to your surroundings. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.